What is up, everybody? So I know I did say the last video was probably gonna be a dyno. I think I've made 2 videos like that. Oops. Anyways, I'm pushing the dyno off probably for another 3 weeks to a month. Meanwhile is Hatch is getting a cage. So as of right now, we've got the carpet out. I think I just locked it all up. But I stripped out all the interior. I got a killer deal on the cage. It's only an 8-point cage from jegs.com, but I paid nothing for it. My buddy has a hatch just like this, single cam, makes 427 horsepower to the wheels. He wants the interior, he didn't want it caged. So anyways, we stripped out all the interior pieces. Seat's not bolted in, it's just set in there because I'm cleaning up. I didn't record any of this because, you know, it's common stuff. Everybody knows how to take interior out. But she's completely stripped down and is not going to stay this sky blue. We're going to just go all black with the inside. Shine it up. I still got to take off the sound deadening in the front. And tomorrow I'm getting the hoop cut. So what we got, because it's only an 8-point, so I don't have the top pieces. So we got the main hoop right here, and then we have all our other bars. So these will be oh, don't fall. So these will be the bars that'll come off the hoop. Basically like that, going along the driver's seat. Still have to notch all these. So it should be a pretty easy setup. I'm only going to weld plates in the main hoop. So we got our welding plates here. The Moroso. My daughter's not happy because she saw me. But that's the plan for the hatch this week. That's going to be our video. Is tomorrow my goal is to get all this cleaned up, get the glue off the floor right here, and start welding some plates in and get the main hoop in at least. I'm not going to worry about these bars right away that run here, but I am going to try to get the back bars and the cross member bars and the seat belt bar installed. At least that's the plan. Anyways, this is just a quick little video update of what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. I will upload this video as it is without an edit because I haven't really uploaded in about a week, maybe 2. And I know people want to know what's going on with the hatch. The hatch is coming along pretty well. I'm really excited. But I want to get this cage in before we go to the dyno, because we're going to go up to the dyno on a Friday, and that Saturday is going to the track. So, and with I believe with an 8-point cage, I'm good for a 9.9 second at 135. I don't know if the hatch will even run that, but we'll see. Anyways, this is the setup. I can't remember if I've done anything about it. We got the board warner top mount. What is it? The S257. So it's an 83 trim with a 90 millimeter exhaust housing exit. 1200cc injectors, oil catch can, 4-port, and 4-port bong. Has a Walbro. No, it's not a Walbro, sorry, but it's got a 350 liter or 340 liter fuel pump in it, and it's just running off stock everything. Simple build, stock head, ITR cams, rods and pistons. So but anyways, if you guys want to stay tuned for the video of the cage and it getting dynoed, some track racing, maybe some street pulls, we'll see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.